Okay, so before we create our first page, I want to show you what this theme did to the default layout editor. So normally when we go to create a page, you click on all pages, add new. This is the editor that you have to work with, right? It's very basic, it's very simple. You can type in some text, you can align it, you can change colors or whatever. But it's very basic, and what this theme did that we paid for, it installed this advanced layout editor. And with the advanced layout editor, you have a lot more options now. You can create different columns, rows, all that kind of stuff. You can drag and drop elements, like you can put icons, text, testimonials, contact forms, whatever you want. You have media elements, images, galleries, masonry gallery, all this good stuff is up here. So this is how you're going to be building your pages now that you've bought this theme. Before the theme, you didn't have that. All you had was the default editor. So before we create our first page, what I like to do is I like to use the existing pages that were imported in the dummy content and just create a site out of that. So the pages that I really like are as follows. So make sure you go to your website and just browse around, look at some of these pages that you like. I like this page right here really a lot. This was a really nice page. It's got the transparent header, a big image, kind of like what I wanted in the beginning of this tutorial. And it's got all these icons. It's got all this stuff right here. This is really nice. The background images didn't get imported because, yeah, they're copyrighted, and we're going to be substituting them anyways. So I really like this page. I really like the home page. And I like some of these other pages. I like the about page, and I like the contact page. Actually, the contact page is not working completely, not really working right, but I'm gonna fix it. And yeah, it's super easy to fix. So what I'm gonna show you now is how to really speed up the process of making a website. So like I said, I like this landing page right here, and I like this transparent page, and I like the contact and about page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save them as templates. So I'm going to go to the landing page, and then up here you can click on edit page, right? And it says the name of the page. And it says front page because right now it's set to be a front page. So you just click edit here, and this is the advanced layout builder. It's called Avia Layout Builder. And basically what I like to do is I like to click here on the permalink and open this in a new tab. This way you can compare the visual layout of your site to the page builder. So like right here you have a slider, and here it is right here, advanced slider. If you scroll down a bit, you have all these icons right here, and they're right here. You can click on them, you can edit them, pick new different icons, whatever. If you keep scrolling, you have all this text, you have all these pictures, and in the layout editor, here it is. Here are those pictures. They get pulled from these categories. Layout image, like all this stuff is right here. And it's right here. So it's a really good idea to have two tabs open side by side, so your life will be made a lot easier when creating pages. But what I'm gonna do is, so I really like this page. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna save it as a template. So save entry as template, and I'm gonna call it front page 1. Next, I'm gonna go back to the website, and I'm gonna go to this page right here, transparent menu. I'm gonna click on edit page, and I'm gonna save that page as a template also. So scroll down a bit, click on templates here, save entry as template, and I'm gonna call it transparent header homepage. Now guys, you can save any of these elements as a template, right? So if you're too lazy to make them yourself, just save them as templates. Just click this little button right here. It's a little folder with an icon, and you can save any of these as templates. All this stuff right here. Like you have three icons right here. You can just go over to the surrounding box, and you have three little icons right here in the top. So the first one is to edit a section, second one is to clone a section, and this one right here is to save it as a template. So if I save this as a template, I can always reuse this code block right here and just slap it into my page, and you're ready to go. Click on the boxes and just like modify them with your content, and you're done. So I've saved both these templates, and now they're up here. There's the front page 1, transparent header homepage 2, transparent header homepage. I'm also going to copy a couple other pages that I like, so I'm just going to leave this. Go back to the website. And I'm also going to copy the about page, so I'm going to save it as a template. Again, click on edit, scroll down, save entry as template, about page, let's leave this page. And another page I want is the contact page. So again, I'm going to click on edit, save it as a template so I can reuse it later. Save entry as template, contact. Okay. So far we have two templates. I'm going to merge the home page and the front page together, and then I'm going to edit the about and the contact page. And then later I'm going to show you how to create a blog page and a portfolio page separately from scratch without using a template. Okay, so click on all pages. Now we have to delete all this dummy content because we don't need it anymore. So click on all pages, click this checkbox to select all of them, and then move them to trash. Select all of them again, move to trash. There are lots of pages, so we gotta move all of them to trash, because we've copied the templates that we wanted, right? So they're all in trash. You can go here and you can empty the trash, or if you're not sure, you might want to keep reuse some of those pages again. You might want to empty your trash later. You can click and restore a page if you want. Right, so if you're going to restore this blog grid page, this little dash right here indicates that it's a child page of the blog page. So if you want to restore this page and work on it, restore the parent page first. So if you want to restore like any of these, you would restore the blog and then one of those, and then go in and edit them, save them as a template, whatever. Same thing goes for the home pages. Again, you have a parent, children. If you want to restore any of the children, restore the home page first, then restore the child, and you're not going to get any errors. And then you can delete them again after copying the template. So right now these are in the trash. I'm not going to need these anymore, so I'm just going to click empty trash. And now all the pages are gone. Right now this website has no pages. They're still in the menu here. Actually, they're not. They're disappeared. Oh, this thing is smarter than I thought. We're going to change this menu later. I'm going to show you how to edit this menu. Right now it looks all screwed up. Our website looks completely screwed up. That's because we deleted a bunch of things, but after we're done with this, it's going to look super nice.